Hello everyone. If you have seen those gold notes circulating and want to know how to get them, I am here to I am here to help you unlock them. First, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Head to the App Store or Google Play and update the app to the latest version to access all new features. Now go to your DMs and at the top, you will see the notes feature. Tap on leave a note and create your message. These notes are only visible to your close friends or followers you follow back. So to make your note appears as gold, use golden emojis like this one or even this. In your message, you can also mix in gold themed words to add that extra flair. And that is how you can get creative with gold notes on Instagram. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.